Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer ownership of a Facebook page. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Facebook. Once you open Facebook, you simply need to select your page and then you need to click on Professional Dashboard, and here you need to scroll down and then you need to click on the page access. So here you can see people with Facebook access. Click on add new and click on next, and here you need to search for the person. So I'm going to search for a random person for an example. So for example this person, and if you want you can allow full control and then you need to click on give access. So this is the simple process by which you can transfer ownership of a Facebook page. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.